Good morning. I cannot believe it's last suhoor of Ramadan 2026. It went by so quickly. The only thing I'm excited is to fix my sleep schedule. That's it. Everything else I'm gonna miss so much. So good. I'm having orange flavor this morning. Cheers. I like the unflavored one better. Amar. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
What do you want for breakfast? You want eggs? Goodness, there we go.
Wow, eggies.
Do you need help? We're gonna go on a little walk to walking trails behind our house, and then we're gonna go feed fishies in the lake behind our house. I have to pack some snacks for my little boss. There's the park.
I love you. Oh, wow. Fish.
I need a bigger pan. Oh.
Maya, are you making pizza?
Oops.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm not trying though.
First, bye. Say bye to Mom. And then we're gonna let it rest for just... What's our next step? I forgot.
Stretch.
Okay, stretch. Okay, pull gently.
Easy.
No,
You okay? Stop.
no.
Mommy?
I tried.
Smells so good. You should be going.
Love you? I will.
Fine.
Yeah, what time do you want me
I'm
home?
gonna miss you.
What time do you want me home?
10-ish.
Where's Iftar? Five.
Just finished everything on my to-do list. There's 6 minutes till iftar. I'm gonna go make wudu, get dressed, break my fast, and pray. And that's it, friends. That's 30 days of Ramadan in our household. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for every single like, every single comment. I appreciate every single one of you. Even though we don't have to be hungry or thirsty anymore during the day, that's not the case for so many people all around the world who are hungry and who don't have access to clean water. Please keep them in your prayers. Please don't forget about them. Please donate when you can. And please spread love and kindness. Thank you all for watching. Bye.